Friends, in this video we'll going to know what will be the price for making this type of kitchen cabinet designs and which is the best material for making the kitchen cabinets, which brands are best. There are the many types of materials are available in the market, but I will tell you the which is the best material to use for kitchen cabinets. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Kitchen cabinet are one of the most important part of our kitchen interior design because cabinets provide the ample storage space for kitchen essentials like cookware, utensils, ingredients, and small appliances, keeping the countertops clutter-free and organized. Even cabinets can significantly enhance the visual appeal of the kitchen. They comes in various designs, materials, and finishes, allowing the homeowners to customize their kitchen to match their personal style. Even the cabinets protect kitchen items from dust, moistures, and pests, ensuring that utensils, dishes, and ingredients stay clean and hygienic. So when you are preparing to make the kitchen cabinet, so first come is the materials. So there are the lots of types of materials are available in this market. Wooden is the most popular material for kitchen cabinets, but you will get there are different types of wood like MDF board, particle board, plywood, such as solid wood. But my suggestion will be you go with the plywood because it is more durable, long lasting, and it is budget friendly also. But in a plywood there are the different types of grades are available. So when you are taking the plywood, you must take 710 grade ply. It is marine grade IS 710. It is a waterproof ply, and there are the multiple companies which are the branded companies are available in the ply like Century Ply, Green Ply, Duro Ply, Kid Ply. So we'll get lots of branded. So always prefer the ply which is 710 grade. Ply is used to make the kitchen cabinet structures. After that, for that cabinet structure we have to give the finishing look, like we have to attach some sheets to give a fabulous look. So there are different types of sheets are available in the market, but two are the most popular sheets are available nowadays, like laminate sheet and the acrylic sheet. Both are most popular sheets are available, but there are some difference between the price of the sheets. Like in laminates you will get different types of colors and it is durable also, and even in the acrylic you will get lots of colors options available, and it is also the durable. But you will find that most of people are preferring with the laminate sheet because it is budget friendly, it will more durable, and it will give the beautiful look for the kitchen cabinets. So if you want to make the laminate finish cabinets, the price range starts from 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet. Let's took some example, like if you want to make your kitchen cabinet by 8 by 5, which is length will be the 8 square feet and the height will be the 5 square feet. So 8 into 5 equal to 40 square feet. So 40 into 1200, that comes the 48,000 rupees total. So for 8 by size kitchen cabinets you will be charged 48,000 to 50,000 rupees. And if you want to go with acrylic, it is more costly. It is almost the double of the laminate. It starts from the 1500 rupees per square feet to 3000 rupees per square feet. So it almost double your price. So most people prefer is go with the laminate cabinets because it is also have beautiful advantages like long lasting, easy to clean, easy to maintain the cabinets, and most benefit it is eco budget friendly. And after the cabinets you have to take the trolleys, like different types of trolleys are available, like different brands. SS steel is a proper, nowadays it is been used more because it is more durable. It will not bend easily if you put any heavy items in the drawers. So go with the SS steel. In that also you will get lots of brands like Godrej, Space Food. For that you require some hinges, hooks. Invest in high quality hinges and drawers slides for smooth operation and durability. Handles and knobs. Choose the functional and aesthetically pleasing handles that complement your kitchen design. So when you're planning to make the kitchen cabinet, first select the layout and functionality. Also keep in mind that work triangle. Ensure the sink, stove and refrigerator work an efficient work triangle for easy movement. Consider the ease of use, especially for accessing frequently used items. And always choose the correct materials. Like I told you, plywood is one of the best material for kitchen cabinets, and laminate is the best sheet. So in this video you can see there are the beautiful kitchen cabinet designs. So plan your budget carefully, factoring in the materials, labor and finish. So without the materials, if you want to give somebody to hire a contractor for making the kitchen cabinet, so the labor will charge 300 rupees per square feet. With materials he will charge from 1000 rupees to 1200. It depends upon the area which area you are living. So friends, if you want more details you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail id which I mentioned in the description. So friends, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Here you will get the latest interior design tips and ideas. And if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you so much.